We say we live in a digital world, and we do, but it's our intimate relationship with physical things and spaces that sustains us. From the earliest hunter-gatherers, shaping tools and building shelters from wood and animal skins, to agrarian societies where physical land, crops, and bricks define prosperity, to the industrial age, machines, energy, infrastructure, reshaping nations. And even now, in the information age, everything that truly matters is still physical. We don't need data, we don't move through networks, and we don't build nations on software alone. And yet, we do relate to cyberspace and its leading actor, AI, which learns from us, assists us, and guides us. But now, AI is getting physical through sensors, devices, machines, vehicles, robots, wearables, and intelligent infrastructure. Physical AI is impacting physical sectors, including manufacturing, transportation, agriculture, health, defense, and more. That is how value is created in the real economy. But this transformation is not automatic. It demands new technology, new thinking, new models, and new policy. While Canada's AI strategy is strong, it must add physical AI as a core pillar, supported by investment, policy, ecosystem development, and education. Because in the end, humans, cyberspace, and the physical world will converge, and our prosperity, sovereignty, and security will depend on how we shape that ambient physical intelligence around us. Learn more about it from my article, Physical AI, Canada's Best Bet for Prosperity.